When someone comes across your business, your website, or your social media, they may not be ready to buy right now, but that doesn't mean you can't start the relationship with them. So when they're ready to buy, they choose you. A great first step is to offer them something free in exchange for their email address, often called a lead magnet. They are the lead, and the free thing works like a magnet. A lead magnet is one of the most effective ways to begin the relationship with prospective buyers, as it does 3 things. It gives them a taste of your services and your personality. It builds trust and goodwill with prospects, and it allows you to keep in touch with them, staying top of mind and being there when they are ready to buy. But how are you supposed to set up a complicated digital marketing lead magnet? That's a good question. I'm Torie Mathis, and I am here to show you that it doesn't require crazy skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and using a lead magnet to warm up potential buyers is definitely smart, and it is easier than you think. Good news, right? Well, you may be wondering, what kind of lead magnet will work best for my business? And how am I supposed to set this thing up? Let's go over the what to create first and stick around to the end, and I will show you a super easy way to set it all up for you. So what should you offer? First, think of what will work as a good introduction to your services. If you're a trainer, a free training session might make sense. Next, what would naturally lead to you as the next step? How can you give them something that makes them want a little bit more? Make them think, if her free stuff is this great, I can't wait to see her paid services. And last, what is easy and natural for you and your services? So if you hate being on video, don't choose a webinar or a video series. There are so many options that you can find one that'll work and be easy for you. Be smart when you choose, and remember that done is always better than perfect. So think about what you can get done quickly and get out there. Maybe you don't even have to make something new. Maybe you already have some things that you can repurpose as a great lead magnet, and you didn't even realize it. I hope this list gives you some ideas. So let's get started. Here are 28 incredibly effective lead magnet ideas to help warm up your prospects to buy. Number 1, a checklist. A checklist is a shortcut for your audience. It can even just take everything from a blog post, then super condense it into actionable steps that can be easily referenced. An example of this could be a grocery list with brain-boosting must-eats. Yummy. Number 2, a cheat sheet. A cheat sheet could be a list of steps, guidelines, or processes that could be followed again and again. This is another great shortcut and a time saver for your audience. An example of this could be 5 steps to a powerful, high-converting sales page. Yes, please. Number 3, a template. You could create a template for a commonly done complex activity, like maybe a blog post or a type of email or another item, where the blanks can easily be filled in or customized. An example is my Smart Funnel sales templates. They are full marketing campaigns that we've built out in full that are ready to go. You just customize them with your information and branding. What a time saver. Number 4, a swipe file. This is a list of things, maybe like social media posts, headlines, email subject lines that can simply be copied and pasted. An example is in the Smart Arsenal. We have monthly social media content done for you. It's like a super swipe file of graphics and post ideas all ready to go. Number 5, an example. This can be a completed example or a sample of a commonly used item, such as like a resume, different than a template which actually has blanks for you to fill out. An example could be a ready-to-go workout or a meditation. Number 6, a script. This will be a fill-in-the-blank script that people can use when talking to specific individuals, such as their potential clients. An example is a sales call script or objection scripts that help you sell, even if you're not a natural salesman. Cha-ching! Number 7, a toolkit. A toolkit is a list of all the necessary tools to effectively perform a task. An example is a city garden toolkit with all the tools and resources you would need to get started to create your very own container garden. I think if you add videos to your toolkits, it makes them even better. Number 8, a free tool. A free tool can be a useful tool that anyone can use in exchange for their email address, of course. An example is CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer or even Neil Patel's Uber Suggest. Number 9, a resource list. A resource list is a large list of related resources that can be easily referenced anytime. An example of this list could be resources for gluten-free eating. Number 10, a calendar. A calendar can help people plan out their tasks. For example, it could be a calendar for quick and easy healthy meals for busy working moms. Number 11, a worksheet. A simple fillable worksheet designed to help someone complete a specific exercise, think through something, or even complete a task. An example of this could be a worksheet on how to find my decor style for my upcoming home redecorating project. Number 12, a printable. A well-designed document that can be easily printed and then used. An example could be a camping grocery list or even a well-designed printable quote. Number 13, an inspirational file. This could be a compilation of inspirational resources to motivate somebody when they get stuck or simply need some extra inspiration. This could be inspiration for weight loss, for an artist, or even someone who is newly divorced. Number 14, prompts. This is a compiled list of prompts designed to help people think through specific questions and work through challenges. An example is journaling or sketchbook prompts. Number 15, a calculator. You can offer a calculator designed to help someone easily complete more complex calculations. An example could be a calculator that helps determine the value of your house. Number 16, a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet that already has all the calculations performed into making more complex calculations easy. An example of this could be a ready-to-go budgeting spreadsheet. Number 17, a recipe. A recipe or even a list of recipes related to a specific food plan or diet, such as the keto diet. Number 18, a tutorial. A step-by-step guide through a specific task or process designed to make learning it as easy as possible. For example, you could show how to set up your first Facebook ad. Number 19, an ebook. A digital ebook that covers a particular subject in detail. An example could be how to get started in investing. Number 20, a guide. Usually this is a shorter document, not as long as an ebook that covers a subject relatively thoroughly in detail. An example could be a guide to traveling with kids under 5. Man, I could have totally used this when I moved across the country. Sean and I went a month apart and I drove coast to coast with 2 kids ages 2 and 4 and 2 Jack Russells. Crazy town. Number 21, a report. A detailed report that discusses key information related to your industry or business. An example could be 2022 real estate trends for Dallas. Number 22, an educational video. A video or even a series of videos in which you give your expert knowledge on a particular subject. An example could be how to refinish a dining room table in 5 easy steps. Number 23, a webinar. An in-depth webinar that provides your prospects with significant valuable information regarding a specific subject. An example could be a webinar on how to train your dog at home. Number 24, an email course. A free course on a specific subject which you deliver easy peasy by email. An example is an email course on how to get started with homeschooling. Number 25, a free coaching session. A quick coaching or consulting session where you help someone work through a particular issue for free. Usually this is an introductory to your paid services. Number 26, predictions. A compiled list of your expert predictions related to your industry or business. An example is Motley Fool's stock predictions for the new year. Number 27, a recording or a replay. A video replay of a webinar or a presentation that you've done, allowing your prospects to be able to access the valuable information. Number 28, an audiobook, a downloadable audio version of a book related to your business or your industry. So which one do you think will work well for your business? Did you get some ideas? Now remember, the key here is to give this away for free in exchange for their email address. They get the value and they get to know you, and you get to continue the relationship and maybe even get a sale from them down the road. And even if you don't get a sale right now, maybe you get a super fan that refers you to all of their friends. This is long-term thinking. Now, as promised, how do you easily set this up? Well, remember how I mentioned templates. I have a fully created marketing campaign template ready to go. These templates are perfect for lead magnets, and the best part is that they have every single piece you need ready to go. We're talking like all the pages, the emails, the automations, all of it. So let me show you what I have that I think you will really like. So this one here is super simple and will work for most of these ideas. It's the ebook freebie template, and it comes with a landing page where they sign up, then they automatically get added to your email list. Yep, like that's all set up too. And they automatically delivered your free thing. Again, you just add the link. Then they go to a thank you page. Here, you can offer them something else, or you can have them go see something more about you. It's just another opportunity to connect even more. So then they are automatically added to an email sequence, and the first email is written and ready to go for you. And you can easily add more emails here, as many as you want, walking them through, getting to know you, offering them more great info, and then getting them to buy. Pretty cool, right? And you could have all of this literally set up in like the next hour. Like easy peasy. No tech skills required at all, I promise. Now, if you want something more complex, like a strategy call or even like a webinar, like I have those built out for you too. But this one here, the EB Freebook, is the best starter. And I want to help you out even more. So when you get one of these funnel templates, I will give you 6 more opt-in email templates, because I know like this is totally the hardest part. It's figuring out what to actually say in the beginning, but this is going to give you everything that you need. These 6 emails that you need include: thanks for joining my list, a get to know me email, here's more for you, 2 offer emails, and even more. It is literally everything you need. Just respond to the order receipt that you would like the free email template series, and I will send it to you for free. It is yours. So now is the time for you to take action. I want you to pick one of these lead magnet ideas that you can make easily. Remember, think easy. And which one will be a great first step for your services. Next, pick a funnel template and get your lead magnet all set up and ready to offer your prospects. And last, put the link to this offer everywhere. Add it to your website, your email signature, your social media profiles, and all of your marketing materials. Heck, you could even put it on your business cards. And soon, you are going to have a huge list of prospects, all learning more about you, getting a taste of your services, beginning to know, like, and trust you, and getting offers from you, all on autopilot. You want to know what I think is the best all-in-one marketing platform for any business looking to grow using digital marketing with things like lead magnets? Why don't you check out this video next?